Hey, how's it going? Just want to give you a review on these my 42-inch Bobcat CRZ 42-inch and my Bobcat XRZ PRO RS 52-inch. All right, y'all. So this is what I started off with. Okay, I started off with a lawn tractor, all right, and a push mower, and then as I was getting more customers, I needed to get more efficient. All right, with my just trying to be more fast. I needed to start cutting my time in half. All right, you know, time is precious, y'all. Time is money. So my local dealer sells Bobcats. All right, these are the green ones. All right, we're in 2021 now, y'all. So now they're white. The Bobcats are white. Okay, same company makes them. All right, same. It's tough. It's a tough mower. Okay. So here's the 42-inch. I chose a 42-inch. My dealer he recommended me a 42 because I was doing residential and most of these yards, the gates aren't the gates aren't, what do you call it, too big, and they're not too small. They're just right for a 42-inch. Okay, and the yards, they're not like real humongous yards. Okay, my yards I was mowing between 0.2 acres to half-acre yards. All right, in the area I live in. The most I only had 2 customers with at least 2 acres. All right, but this Bobcat CRZ still cut my time in half. I was able to string trim, edge, and mow their whole property within like 2 hours. All right, 1 hour and 45 minutes one time I timed it. Okay, and remember, you have trees, it may take a little bit longer. Okay, I mean, there's more string trimming, but if you don't have trees, just go back and forth, y'all, with this zero turn. All right, these are commercial grade quality. They got metal decks right there. All right, it has a little area for a mulching plate. You put it right here. Now you could just mulch the leaves or the grass to the ground. All right. The tires on the CRZ are a little bit smaller than the bigger ones. Okay. These are 5 gallon. They're 5 gallons, y'all. The fuel, you could put 5 gallons of fuel in here. 5 gallon capacity tank. Okay. A Kawasaki engine. All the Bobcats have Kawasaki engines. All right. I don't know nothing about mowers at first, but all I know is that I know Kawasaki and Kohler are great. All right. And you know what, y'all? Some of these mowers they got Briggs and Stratton. I don't know why people talk bad about Briggs and Stratton. My riding mower has a Briggs and Stratton engine. All right. I bought it used from somebody who had it for like a decade. You know, and that was in 2018. I bought it from him. He's had it for about for 10 years. He bought it used from somebody, and that thing's still running, y'all. So Briggs and Stratton's good, all right. But these Bobcats, back to the Bobcat, they have Kawasaki engines. All right, the oil change is easy. All you gotta do for the oil change is take this out and drop the line right there, y'all, into the drip pan, and oil filter's right there. So easy access to oil filter. All right. So that's that, y'all. It's a simple startup. You know, you sit down. If it's a cold start, put it on choke. At the same time, turn the key and push it down and it starts. All right. This one currently has 411 hours on it. Still running, y'all. I mean, it's tough, or I haven't had any problems with it. Okay. Seat comes up and down over here. All right, to get to the battery or just to clean underneath. All right, Bobcat CRZ 42-inch. All right, it's awesome, y'all. It's considered residential, but still commercial grade quality with this metal deck and Kawasaki engine. All right, one fuel tank. The fuel tank's over here, 5 gallons. Oh, I use ethanol free. That's what I use. Little cup holder right here. I never use that because stuff falls out. You know what I mean? Just like hitting bumps. It has a little adapter right here. Okay, now there's a kit you could buy. Now this is empty, y'all. You have to buy the adapter. You just lift up the seat, connect it, and slide that in there. And now you could put like a little light. You could get like a little light. Bobcat sells like a light to plug in right there. It's like a magnet light. You stick right there. I should have brought that out with me. I didn't bring it out. Okay, or you could just phone charger right there, y'all. Okay. You got from 1.5 all the way up to 4.5. 4.5. All right. So this is the CRZ 42-inch Bobcat. All right, here's the Bobcat XRZ Pro RS. It's a couple of steps higher from the CRZ, commercial grade. Okay. Now remember that mulch plate I was telling you that you could put over here? So I have it on this one over here. That's all it is, a plate. You stick it in this hole right here, and then you slide it around, and then you stick it right there. But then you put like a little pin, and boom, now you're mulching grass and leaves to the ground. All right. The 42-inch has 2 blades. All right. The 52-inch has 3 blades underneath the deck. We're changing it out. All right. Also, one thing about the CRZ, I guess why it's not considered commercial, because it doesn't have chains. All right, like the floating deck. All right, it does float though. It does float a little bit, all right. But this has the chains, all right. Hey, this is a good deal, y'all. All right, hey, back to this, all right. So, my local dealer, we finance your shift field. And a lot of places they finance your shift field. Okay, hey y'all, $96.96 a month. All right, that's all I have to pay for this, interest free. All right, $96.96 a month, interest free. Hey y'all, that's like $3 and something cents a day. Okay, think about that. About little over $3 a day you're buying this mower, if you think about it like that. Okay. I got out the door with, it was $4,200. I got out the door with taxes and everything. It came out to $96 something and some change a month. All right, hey, $3 and like 30 cents, man, a day, y'all. All right, or you do the math, okay? It was $96.93, or the 63 cents. I'm not sure. Hey, okay, let's round it up, 97 bucks, y'all. You do the math, 97 bucks a month. It's gonna be $3 and change, all right, a day. You're paying for this mower. How many yards do you mow a day? Maybe you're making like 300 bucks a day. All right, out of $300, hey, $3 something cents, goes to the mower. Okay, it's paying for the mower. All right, so good deal, y'all. So finance your shift field. That's what I did. Find a dealer that finances your shift field. I've only been to 2 dealers. Both of them, they go through shift field. All right, so I'm not sure if that's with all Lawncare dealers, but that's the deal, y'all. Interest free. All right, $96 something, 97 bucks a month. You're looking at paying at $3 and something cents a day, man, for this mower. Okay. Hey, we're buying like a lot of energy drinks. Hey, just cut off one energy drink. Bam, there you go. All right, it's like the mower's paying for itself. You don't even realize that you're paying for this mower because you cut off one energy drink or that Starbucks coffee, or hey, maybe you drink a lot. You know what I mean? All right. So just cut away from some of those snacks. All right, the junk food, alcoholic beverages, energy drinks. All right. Hey, and then just mow lawns. It's like it's paying for itself. It's for free. All right. So this one. So my wife surprised me with this mower right here, y'all. She bought it used with 200 hours on it. She bought it for $3,000. This mower, I'm sorry, I didn't do my research, y'all. I didn't like look it up. It's like almost $7,000 brand new. Okay, or $8,000. Between $7,000 and $8,000 brand new. All right, because there's from CRZ, it goes to XRZ, into XRZ Pro, the XRZ Pro RS, so it gets higher, y'all. The cost for these mowers brand new. So this one doesn't have a floating deck. All right, the CRZs. All right, the XRZs don't have them, but the XRZ Pro RS has a floating deck. Hey man, this is a back saver right here, y'all. All right, this is like when you're going over bumps, it feels like you're not even like hitting anything, y'all. All right, this on the other hand, y'all, okay. I had some nerves where it's like real bumpy. You start feeling it on your back, especially if you have like a bad back. You're gonna feel it, man. Your spine just like, just taking it. You know what I mean? This one right here, a floating deck. It's all. I mean, a floating seat. It's awesome. Okay, floating deck with chains, floating seat with the suspension. All right. So I showed you the mulch plate. All right, it's easy to put on, y'all. Okay, and these also have a bagging system. I think Ballard, they sell the bagging system for this. All right, so if you want a bag, you just put it on the side. All right, I think you have to get like an adapter to put on there to then you can put the bagger on there. All right, so these comes with the roll-up bars. All right, for safety. Hey, y'all, these are roll-up bars, okay? Oh, but it doesn't look cool, you know. The professionals don't bring them up, you know what I mean, when they're riding ditches. Hey, y'all, because they're stupid, okay? Don't be stupid, be safe, y'all. Pick up a roll-up bars, all right, and then be safe, y'all, okay? Because if we're to flip over, and if you're wearing your seatbelt like these have, okay, you're gonna stay in the mower. It's not gonna crush you, all right? I know people who lift up the brake. I know people. I read of people, man, who like got crushed by their mowers, and they said they had to roll a bar up. They would have survived. All right. Instead, they got crushed by their own mower because they weren't being stupid. They were too worried about what other people were gonna think. All right. That's what pride gets you, man. All right. Pride goes before a fall, y'all. All right. Be smart. Use your bars. Okay. Be humble. All right. Hey, set the example, right? Set the example. Show people that you're being safe. All right. Set the example and show people how they should be mowing. All right, by being safe. Okay. Wear eye pro and ear pro at all times. Okay. And then, hey, you know what? If you're wearing it, maybe don't put it on. Okay. So, hey, y'all. So that's the review. This little short review of the. Oh yeah, this one has 2 tanks. All right, 2 5-gallon tanks. One on this side and one on that side. All right, Kawasaki engine right there. Okay, so hey y'all, so this is my review. All right, of the Bobcat. I bought this used. Hey y'all, your dealers, man, support your dealership. All right, support your local dealer. Okay, buy blades from them, their mixed oil. Okay, the equipment from them, they'll take care of you. Okay, so my wife, when she bought this used, they managed the whole thing for her, you know. I mean, they made sure everything was good. They put on a new set of blades. All right, they give her the free. They threw the little mulch plate on there for her. All right. So yeah, y'all. So your dealers will take care of you. Take care of your dealers by buying your stuff by buying equipment from them. Okay, using their services, and your dealers will take care of you, y'all. Okay, they'll bend over backwards for you. Okay. They've done it for me a couple of times. All right. So Bobcat CRZ 42-inch deck, commercial grade. All right. Doesn't have the chains. Okay. It doesn't have the roll-up bars. Bobcat XRZ PRO RS 52-inch, floating deck with chains. It has the roll-up bars. Hey, I hope you like this this review of the Bobcat. We're thinking about buying one. I'm thinking about buying a 0-turn. Okay. Hey, Bobcat's awesome, y'all. I haven't had. It's my first 0-turn. I haven't had any problems with it. It works great. My dealer's always taking care of us. Okay. My dealer, like, they'll hey, you know, no charge. They'll exchange my blades for free. Okay. So if you got anything out of this, y'all, please hit subscribe. Hit like. Okay. Yeah, so there's more videos to come. All right. I'm new at this YouTube channel. I just started a couple of weeks ago. All right, just doing reviews. All right, videos for y'all. All right, we're starting out. I just want to share with you my experiences, what I dealt with when I first started out. Okay, the frustration, the excitement. You know, you get excited, y'all. It's real awesome, man. When you have customers calling you, hey, I need my lawn cut. Brand new customers calling you, y'all. You know, like 5 a day, man. Like, hey, they're gonna call. All right, they're gonna call. Be patient, okay? All right, don't worry. All right. Oh, I need to pass out more flyers. They're not gonna call. They're gonna call. All right, be patient, okay? Be patient. When they call, hey, go out there, give them that estimate. All right, be excited, okay? You're excited, they're gonna get excited, okay? And hey, have fun, y'all. Have fun cutting that grass. Stay motivated, stay positive at all times. All right, and hit subscribe and hit like, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you, bye.